Hi, welcome to this tutorial. I'm Ryan, your AI video assistant here at Comment Picker. In today's video, I will show you how to switch your personal account to a professional business or creator account on Instagram. A professional account on Instagram gives you tools for business like insights and ads. Switching helps you grow and understand your followers better. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right to go to your profile. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner, then select Settings. Scroll down to find Preferences and tap on it. Then, select Switch to Professional Account at the bottom. Keep pressing Continue and select a category that best describes your activity in the next screen. After selecting your category, press Done. Choose between creator and business based on your needs and press Next. Review your contact info and press Next, or press Don't use my contact info. You can link a Facebook page to your new Instagram account now, or press Skip to link a page later. Complete all steps to fully set up your professional account, or press the 10 in the top right corner to set it up later. And that's it. You've successfully switched to a professional account. Explore the new features at your disposal to grow and engage with your audience more effectively. If all went well, your Instagram account has now been switched to a professional business or creator account. Do you have any questions or ran into problems? Don't hesitate to leave a comment under this video or send us a message on Facebook or Instagram. We're here to help you out. And hey, if you found this guide useful, give us a like, share it around, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more handy tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.